Hi folks, I'm Paul, the president of Earlham College. They asked me to do this video for Earlham Day. I realize some of you may not have been on campus for a while, so to get us all excited for April 23rd, I'm taking you on an actual day at Earlham College. Whether you graduated in 1974 or 2024, you know that Earlham's classrooms are places of growth, exploration, and excellence. Speaking of which, I have to go teach my bio class. See you in a bit. I think it's time for some coffee, don't you? The experiences students have here using their EPIC advantage lead to great careers after college. It's truly a gift to be able to offer such an experience to every Earlham student. Hey, do you hear that? I'm always impressed by Earlham's ability to balance rigorous learning with joy, playfulness, and creativity. What beautiful art. Here on campus and around the world, Earlham provides students with opportunities for adventure and growth. Hey Caden, how's China?
It's going great, Paul. I was just on my way to the Jinsha Site Museum.
Your gift on Earlham Day makes it possible for the Earlham people, places, and traditions you know and love to continue for the many years to come. What do you say? Will you join us? Happy Earlham Day!